Good afternoon, my name is Fabrizio Berretta. I'm chef of La Piazza, the famous Italian restaurant in New Delhi. I come from North Italy, actually very close to Torino, in a small village called Monbaruzzo. In the old time, the Sardinian and Piedmont, where I come from, was a small kingdom before Italy was birthed. And some flavors, some recipe, some traditional, they are mixed. So I want to bring a La Piazza, very old and traditional recipe with the best ingredients from the local market and the best ingredients directly from Italy. I hope you're gonna come from the 15th of April to try the regional Sardinian food. Vi aspetto alla piazza per un tuffo nella bellissima Sardegna con i nostri piatti più selezionati.